Hi, I'd like to show you something I only just made a few days ago. This is my treehouse clock. I hope you like it. I think it's a nice effect with the lights. In the evening when it's darker, it really glows beautiful. Pleased with that. That's just small family photographs. The frame was, it's driftwood, cut in the angle to get the different shapes. I think they just blend well together. That's years old. Can't remember making that. It's probably as old as Methuselah. These I love making. I've made a few of these. Tree houses. I think it's quite effective. It's all a bit of make-believe. This is a nice one. That one was the first one I made some time ago now, but I think it's quite effective. I just tinted the leaves reddish to give it that nice autumn look. I was pleased with that. If you'll stay watching, I'm just going to go on a quick tour of the garden. Here we go then. There's a nice bit of colour this time of year. I had to cut down the old Isa there because it was just shading too much of the garden. But I made a feature of the stump. Put a bit of a display on top. I think it's quite nice. The old ice is starting to grow back again. I'm just not quite sure what to do with it. Maybe try and make some kind of a feature. A nicer type, smaller shrub, I don't know. I'll do something with it. A fair few apples this year. One very brave robin. Picked loads of strawberries already. Cherries just ripening up. Not many apples this year. I think there's one solitary pair somewhere. There we go. There's one massive cedar. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short tour. We'll have to do it again sometime. Bye for now.